हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू करंट अफेयर्स टुडे। तो चलिए इस वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करते हैं क्विज़ जो कि है जून मंथ की अगस्त मंथ की। और ये है आपका सेट नंबर टू। इससे पहले सेट 1 अपलोड हो चुका है। अगर आपने वो नहीं देखा है तो आपको वो देखना है पहले सेट नंबर 1, और उसके बाद आपको सेट 2 देखना है। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द पर्सनल रीडिंग मशीन फॉर विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड डेवलप्ड बाय CSIO, Central Scientific Instrument or Organization, Chandigarh. Amit Shah has laid the foundation stone of UP State Institute of Forensic Science in which city? Who has won the Formula 1 driver Hungarian Grand Prix? Nikol Pashinyan, Prime Minister of which country? Author of the book My Own Mazagaon. Which government has launched हर हित स्टोर स्कीम? चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द पर्सनल मशीन? इट इज दिव्य नयन। डेवलप्ड बाय CSIO, which is based in Chandigarh. Amit Shah has laid the foundation stone in Lucknow, the capital of UP, Lucknow. Formula 1 driver has won the title Hungarian Grand Prix. Hungarian Grand Prix has been won by Esteban Ocon. Nikol Pashinyan, Armenia. My Own Mazagaon, Ramesh Babu. हर हित स्टोर, हरियाणा. IFFCO, Indian Farmer Fertilizer Corporation, has signed a MOU with which IIT for joint research in the area of agriculture and fertilizer, including nanotechnology. Asian Development Bank has provided a loan of 830 crore to which state for water supply? Which insurance company has signed a MOU with SahiPay to provide digital and financial services in the semi-urban and rural parts of country? CBIC has launched CIP portal. What is the full form of CIP portal? Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs has given its approval for the continuation of the revised Samagra Shiksha scheme for how many years? चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। IFFCO has signed a MOU with IIT Delhi. ADB has given 831 crore rupee loan for Jharkhand. Hemant Soren is the Chief Minister. This is SBI General Insurance. Partnered with SahiPay. CBIC has launched CIP portal, and the portal full form is Compliance Information Portal. So Cabinet has given for 5 years Samagra Shiksha for 5 years. Maldives style water villas will soon be set up in which of the following place in India in a bid to attract tourists? Melpe Beach is in which state? Boxer Lavlina Borgheim has become the dash number Indian boxer to win the medal at Olympic. Arvind Kejriwal government has approved the dash % hike in the salary and allowances in Delhi MLAs. Which states animal birth control center has become the operational again? Which union territory has launched Pani Maha Water Month to increase the pace for the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission? And और आपको ये भी बताना है कि जल शक्ति के मिनिस्टर कौन है? हु इज द जल शक्ति मिनिस्टर? तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। मालदीव स्टाइल ये कहाँ पे है? नीदरलैंड। sorry, not Netherlands. It's Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep. Okay. Malpe beach is in Karnataka. It is in Karnataka, in Udupi district. Udupi. So, boxer Lavlina Borgohain has become the third Indian boxer. Remember this, third. Arvind Kejriwal has approved 66% hike. This is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu state's animal birth control has become the operational. Pani Maha Ladakh. Pani Maha Ladakh. TriFed celebrates its foundation day. Celebrates its which foundation day on August of 6th of August. Centre has given its node for setting up 2 underground facility to store the crude oil for the commercial and strategic purpose at which 2 places. Which IIT has developed artificial intelligence NB drivers, neighborhood drivers, to use in analyzing cancer causing matrices in cells. President Kovind addressed the 100th year of which legislative council? State Bank of India has launched the new enhanced security feature called YONO and YONO Lite app. So, TriFed has celebrated its 34th foundation day. Centre has given its node that for 2 places, that is, one is Karnataka and Odisha. NP drivers, this is IIT Madras. Legislative Council, this is Madras. Madras Legislative Council has completed 100 years. SIM binding. SBI has launched SIM binding feature in YONO and YONO Lite app. Every year, Parakram Divas was observed on which? Is observed in India. On which date? Who has taken the new Controller General of Accounts? Which education financing platform has received NBFC license from RBI? Guido Bellido has become the Prime Minister of which country? Which state has finally opened one side of Kuchrin Tunnel? So let's start. Parakram Divas is celebrated on 23rd of January. Controller General of Account Deepak Das. This is Gyan Dhan. Education financing platform has received NBFC license from RBI. Guido Bellido has become the Prime Minister of Peru. Kuchrin Tunnel is in Kerala. Author of the book In an Ideal World. Who is the Director General of Artilleries? Which IIT has launched 7 new academic programs to cater to the rising demand for new age technologies? Who has been appointed as global brand ambassador for Blackberry? Ministry of Education has announced 2 new centers for Gulf region to conduct the NEET exams. Which are these 2 centers? और आपको ये भी बताना है कि मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन कौन है? Who is the new Minister of Education? Kunal Basu is the author of the book In an Ideal World. Who is the DG of Artillery? Tarun Kumar. Tarun Kumar Chawla. Which IIT has launched 7 academic? This is IIT Roorkee. IIT Roorkee. Who has been appointed as brand ambassador for Blackberry? Priyanka Chopra. Ministry of Education is Dharmendra Pradhan. Pradhan, and the two centers for NEET exam is Kuwait and Dubai. कुवैत एंड दुबई। तो ये था हमारा सेट नंबर 2। बहुत जल्द आपसे मिलेंगे सेट नंबर 3 में। अगर अपने चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। थैंक यू सो मच।